Well, I'm taking my engine apart for the fourth time. So let's see if it goes any better this time. Got the front cover off. I'm gonna use a borescope. I'll see if I can get a video of it. I'm gonna use a borescope to go check the timing. We'll see. Well, some good news and some bad news. The good news is it was timed correct. And the bad news is I don't know what else is wrong with it. I was able to get the oil pump off. That was a chore. I don't think I'll be able to get it back on without the oil pump. Without the... Wow, what's the word? With that with the pickup tube. Because I don't think I'll be able to get a bolt back in there. There's no room when the oil pump's in there. It took me forever. But I replaced the chain while I'm here. Because I had a new one, I just haven't replaced it. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what it is. We'll see. Well, I can't figure out why my GTO is wrong. What's wrong with the GTO? So I'm gonna work on the super engine because that's almost more fun. Maybe I should get the head on today. That should be really great. That should be awesome to have a head on. Time for today. I got the head on and bolted and tight torque to me. I was gonna put the oil pan on, but I need a little O-ring that goes there, and then I need to put the rear main on. I gotta swap over the new rear main seal to the new housing. So that's not too hard, but that's a pretty successful day. Most successful day I've had in a while. I've been kind of lazy and Christmas and all that stuff. No excuses, but I've been busy. So yeah. That's what I've got. I think this video is going to take place over like 3 weeks. So yeah, that's great.